एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। आपको पता है 1 महीने पहले हमने इस चीज़ की शुरुआत करी थी और अब तक हम मोर देन 30 वीडियोस वी हैव अपलोडेड सो फार एंड आई थिंक यू मस्ट हैव टेकन advantage of those videos and you are continuously watching our channel and learning English and trying to speak English at your home when you are doing practice with your partner। जब हमारे पास करने को कुछ नहीं था और बहुत टाइम से चल रहा था कि व्हाट टू डू नॉट टू डू, व्हाट टू डू नॉट टू डू, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग वाज क्लोज, नथिंग वाज ओपन, वी वर नॉट अलाउड टू गो आउटसाइड, वी आर स्टिल नॉट अलाउड टू गो आउटसाइड। सो इस फ्री टाइम को तो हमें यूटिलाइज करना ही था। और अगर आप स्टूडेंट हैं वर्कशॉप के तो ये तो है ही, हमारे वर्कशॉप के स्टूडेंट ने हमसे कहा भी था कि सर कुछ प्लान करना चाहिए एंड ऑल दैट। So we made a YouTube channel and you guys in single month more than 900 subscriptions। I really thank you so much guys। और एक बात मैं और आपसे कहना चाहता हूँ, अगर आप वर्कशॉप के स्टूडेंट हैं और आपने पहले क्लास में मुझसे सुना भी होगा कि मैं स्टूडेंट हूँ वर्कशॉप का, खाली बैठना मेरा काम नहीं। सब्सक्राइब किया है मैंने वर्कशॉप के चैनल को, अब इंग्लिश से डरना मेरा काम नहीं। सो यस गाइस, अब जब 1 महीने के दौरान आप अपना ये वीडियोस वगैरह देख रहे थे, सीख रहे थे, तो हमने काफ़ी स्टूडेंट से जानना चाहा कि उनका एक्सपीरियंस क्या रहा। एंड यू वॉन्ट बिलीव गाइस, देयर एक्सपीरियंस वॉज वंडरफुल एंड दे हैव शेयर्ड देयर एक्सपीरियंस बाय मेकिंग सम वीडियोज। सो आई वुड लाइक टू शो यू दोज वीडियोज एंड for those compliments I really thank all of them and I request please keep watching our videos and do subscribe our channel and also share this video dear ones with your friends and family members। so चलिए हम आपको दिखाते हैं उन स्टूडेंट्स ने हमारे बारे में क्या कहा। so चलते हैं, आइए देखिए।
Hi guys, I am Diksha. Nowadays, due to the spread of coronavirus, we are sitting still in our houses. Why don't we use this time by learning English? Our Vivek sir is taking online English classes. So I advise you to visit the English workshop on your YouTube channel and start learning English. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, and keep learning English.
Guys, what's up? I'm Divya, a student of computer science. As you know that we are staying at home only these days and we are not allowed to go anywhere. So we have lots of time. So I suggest everyone to learn English. I'm learning English from the channel of English Workshop and it's really very helpful. So I am utilizing my time. I suggest you to utilize your time and to subscribe the channel. Bye bye. Wait. Subscribe the channel. Bye bye.
Hello guys, this is Ayush Bangat, a student of computer science. As we all know, because of the coronavirus, we all are in quarantine. So in this lockdown, we can learn a lot of the things at home. I am taking advantage of my time by learning English at home on YouTube on the channel of the English Workshop. And I am getting good improvement day by day. Coaching classes, school, colleges, everything is closed. So this is the best way to be in touch with English. And I would like to thank the English Workshop for providing online classes on free of cost. So guys, don't waste your time. Learn English at home on a single click.
Hello, I am Khushi, the student of 9th class. You know that nowadays we are not going outside and we all living at home. So we have free time and I am using my free time in learning English on the YouTube channel of the English Workshop. Guys, I am really getting good help from those videos and it really helped me to improve my English.
Hello everyone, I'm Asfa Khan, a student of Bangalore College and presently I am pursuing in BSc second year. As you know guys, there is time of quarantine. In quarantine, the English Workshop providing us a online education on YouTube. I watch all the videos, so I want to say heartily thanks to Vivek sir and Dinesh sir. They are working hard and making our quarantine days useful by providing online English classes. So you can improve your English by joining the online classes.
Hi guys, how are you? My name is Ibrahim Bayalim and I am a learner at the English Workshop. You know, these days the lockdown is going on and we have a lot of time, but we are not to waste our time. We should improve our personality. That's why Vivek sir has given an opportunity to improve our language by the English Workshop YouTube channel. It has also been beneficial for me That's why I suggest you to subscribe the YouTube channel and keep touch with sir. It will be beneficial for you.
Hello everyone, myself Kuldeep and I am studying in Russia. I am doing my MBBS here. I am watching the videos of English workshop and I am getting a lot of knowledge. So thank you so much for providing such amazing and such knowledgeable videos. Thank you so much in the English workshop.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Dipendra Kasana, an NCC cadet. Summer vacations are coming soon and in this time period people go for learning different skills and a huge number of crowd go for the spoken classes. But lockdown is going on and it will maybe extend. So utilize your time by using online classes on YouTube channels at your home. But people have a common doubt that which class provide right or best material. Don't worry, I tell you the English workshop directing by Mr. Vivek Sharma. Believe me guys, in workshop with speaking English you will boost your confidence, your communication skill and will develop your personality also.
Hello everyone, myself Rahul Godara. I am the student of class 11 and I am from Nirvana. As we all know that lockdown period is going on due to the coronavirus which is highly affecting our studies. But in this vacation there is a golden charming chance to improve your skills in spoken English just by regularly watching YouTube videos of English. Yes, it is possible. You can also take the help by the most best educator in English by Mr. Vivek Sharma. They regularly uploading their English spoken videos on their own YouTube channel, the English Workshop 08, and they also running their own spoken center as the English Workshop at Bapu Bazaar, Nirvana. And I also trying to be perfect in this language by seeing their videos regularly. And I also suggest you all guys that don't waste your time. Please join the channel, the English Workshop 08, to improve your skills in English.
Hey guys, this is Gagan Chaudhary and today I am talking about the learning English because learning English is very important in this modern era. So please visit our YouTube channel, the English Workshop, and feel the better experience. Thank you.
Nowadays, a YouTube channel is organized by the English Workshop Nirvana by a good tutor, Mr. Vivek sir and Dinesh Upadhyay sir. Friends, I am daily watching this YouTube channel, and you know the English is a global language, so it is very important to learn English in present scenario. The teaching techniques are amazing, and it's a good opportunity to learn something new about English.
Hello everybody. In the last 30 days, you have just given us so much support that we haven't expected so far. However, we are just getting so much increase day by day with your all support. It's your all affection that has made us enable to say a heartiest thank to everybody that is a part and parcel of our YouTube channel, the English Workshop 08. We hope the same support would be going on in future continuously. So keep watching our videos and support in making our channel subscribe. Jai Hind.